Have a good day, Sir Morales. I am Alexander James Joaquin from Group 1, and here's our member.
I'm Erilyn Bechaida from Group 1.
I'm Justin Charmel Albacaro from Group 1.
I'm Kusha Marisi Balbena from Group 1.
I'm Sarah Kim Tiong from Group 1.
I'm John Ledgo po from Group 1.
I'm Edmark Labiaga from Group 1.
My name is Christinger Pineda from Group 1.
Hello, I'm Cortez from Group 1.
And now we will tackle our research paper that the title is The Effect of Low Self-Esteem on Academic Performance in Grade 10 Students.
Background of the study. This study showed the definition of low self-esteem and the effect of this on academic performance, showing the effect which is difficulty to communicate to the other students. According to the study of psychologists that with the low self-esteem combine and interact differently for each person genes, cultural childhood experience, etc.
This part showing the possible question for this topic. Example, what will the possible effect of low and high self-esteem and show the positive and negative result.
Significance of the study. This study valuable to teacher to know the problem of the students. Also, it's valuable to parents knowing the unexpressed problem of the children and the last two students, to change the coping mechanism and to improve their confidence.
Objective of the study. This intended the effect of low self-esteem among grade 10 students in San Isidro National High School, making the advantage action to parents, teacher, and to students.
Scope and delimitation. This study focusing to examine the effect of low self-esteem to grade 10 student. It also assessed how to communicate to other students.
RRL or Review of Related Literature. This study showed a statement of the topic. According to the research by Yu, Xian, Abi, Wang, Russell, Stoppel, and Dai of the International Journal of Environment Research in 2022. It's proposed the role of self-esteem in academic performance of rural students in China, showing the relationship of low self-esteem to academic performance. However, past research in developing context in this issue is limited, particularly among earliest adolescents.
Theoretical framework. This study of Alicia DeCast and Peter J. Burke, self-esteem conceptualized as an outcome, motive, and buffer. Verification of role identities increases an individual's worth-based and efficiency-based self-esteem. As a result of increasing immigration, American schools are now catering to a growing proportion of students who are immigrants and children of immigrants.
Research design. Our research design will employ a quantitative to examine the effect of low self-esteem to grade 10 students in San Isidro National High School. A total of students that we ask or survey is 110 using a Likert scale close-ended questionnaire, and the questionnaire will consist of 10 questions.
Research respondents consisting of 110 grade 10 students in San Isidro National High School during the school year 2024 to 2025. The selection followed stratified random sampling to ensure representation across different sections.
Research instrument. On a research instrument, we are using a 5-point Likert scale that access to grade 10 student perception about low self-esteem on their academic performance. This survey provided insight based on their performance and communication.
Data collection. Using a Likert scale, were gathered the perception and experiences of each student. After we gather the response of each student, we are carefully organize the data for analysis.
Data analysis. Using data analysis, the data from the survey were statistically analyzing using person correlation coefficient to determine the low self-esteem to grade 10 students.
Descriptive statistic. The table summarizes the mean of students from both low self-esteem and academic performance. Our independent variable is low self-esteem and our independent variable is academic performance. The mean of low self-esteem score is 3.18, suggesting that students generally experience low self-esteem. And the mean of academic performance score is 85.73, indicating moderate high affected of low self-esteem.
Graphical representation. Bar graph can visually compare students' responses regarding on the effects of low self-esteem and academic performance of grade 10 students in San Isidro National High School. A higher percentage of students agree, which is 41%, or strongly agree, which is 31%, that low self-esteem can affect their academic performance. This suggests a negative effect on academic performance of grade 10 students.
Inferential statistics. In inferential statistics, we calculate the Pearsons and we have solved the final answer, and since the R is equal to 1.00, the confidence level increased, and here it was seen that confidence increased and improved.
Summary of findings. The result of the low STEAM grade 10 students had a positive impact on students' writing skills and their academic performance. Grade 10 students of San Isidro National High School showed significant improvement in organizing their thoughts, with a 46.5% increase in scores related to structure and coherence. While the low self-esteem disagree increased their low confidence by 10.4%, and the strongly disagree of students saw a 16.1% increases. The grade 10 student of San Isidro National High School showed smaller improvements with a 4.65% increase in low self-esteem on academic performance. A 10.4% improved their academic, and a 68.1 is a balance of the effect of low self-esteem.
Conclusion: a complete exploration in the effect of low self-esteem on academic performance in grade 10 students has produced significant insight. Markedly, the mean values, with a particular emphasis on addressing the first statement of the problem, have played an important role in advancing our understanding of the complex relationship between self-esteem and academic performance.
Recommendation. Based on the findings of this study, it's recommended that educational institutions including the San Isidro National High School implement targeted intervention to enhance the self-esteem of grade 10 students. Given the potential impact of self-esteem on academic performance, consider developing programs that focus on building students' confidence, resilience, and coping skills.